Hi, I'm Christine from Sacred Sounds Australia. This is day 2 of our Lionsgate portal preparation rituals. So this little video is going to be giving you some guidance around grounding your energy. Why is it important to be grounding our energy? Well, we're around a lot of high frequency devices. We have high frequency lighting. We have phones in our hands and up to our ears. We're watching TVs. We're constantly bombarded with a lot of visuals and a lot of frequencies. It is like overload. So we can become very scattered, have, ADHD experiences and moments, dementia type moments if you're in the older category, and just basically struggling with a lot of overwhelm. So as soon as we ground our energy, our nervous system relaxes, then our bodies can come out of fight and flight mode and we can go into rest and digest. So it is really important to ground our energy. Otherwise, we become really scattered in our thoughts, scattered in our actions and our intentions, and very stressed and overwhelmed. So there's a couple of ways that you can ground your energy. The one that we all have access to is our breath. So taking a couple of deep breaths into your nose, maybe for the count of 4, and out for as long as you can. So if you even extend that in for the count of 4 and out for the count of 4, 5, 6, and all the way up to 8. So the more you practice, the more you can do that, and that will just ground your energy and anchor it in. So another way that you can ground your energy is using something like black tourmaline, hematite. This is red jasper. So any really grounding earthy type colors and crystals will ground your energy, and essential oils that come from the root of a plant. So vetiver is a really good example. Cedarwood is another. So any plant that has like really strong root system is a really good essential oil for you to choose. And you can actually rub a little bit underneath your feet. So just take a dab and rub it either on the top of your feet or the bottom of your feet, and that will be very grounding for your energy. You can choose a root plant to eat, something very nourishing. Potatoes, sweet potato, anything that's grown on the ground will also have very earthy energy and ground your energy. So another way to ground your energy is to simply take your shoes off and go for a walk outside and put your feet on the actual ground. So not on concrete, on some real earth. And if you do that, you can also tune into your energy, and you can put your palms down and actually really connect with the earth's frequency. So that's great. If you don't get the opportunity to do that, just simply take your shoes off, take some nice deep breaths, put your device down perhaps, and have a nourishing lunch is a really great example of how you can ground your energy. I love sound. There's various ways that we can ground our energy with sound. So if you do attend sound baths, drumming, so drumming can do something very slow and rhythmic, will really ground your energy. And then, of course, we have various rain discs, and that will also shakes up your energy a little bit, but it becomes very grounding and relaxing. So one thing to do, you could check to see what your sun sign is and what element it is, because that's also a really good way to have a look. For example, I'm a fire sign and I really like being around water. So if there's trickles of water, a water fountain or something like that, that grounds my energy too. So it is good, like air element people may really need the earth for grounding. And you do get coffee chimes that are also in the elements, and that is a really great way for you to use the one that calms you down the most. So that's how to know if you feel really calm, really safe, and really relaxed, then that is a good example of something that is grounding your energy. So I have created a little guided meditation for you to ground your energy, and it's going to be a guided meditation. So I will want you to visualize your roots and your energy coming down. So I'm going to play that for you in the next video, but that was just a couple of examples of how you can ground your energy. So I hope that you're enjoying this day 2 of the rituals and preparing your energy for major shifts and change. Grounding is absolute key. So thank you for watching this, and I look forward to seeing you in the grounding meditation. Thanks.